Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody stopped me. This is part 3. I never meant for it to go this far. But over the last couple of days, I've made videos on this, and this is a bevel, if you missed part 2, that looks pretty cool. And then I started thinking, my lines were hairlines, and they didn't do anything for me, so I filled them in. Well, what if you make them thicker? So we select both. If we select both these and make them thicker line, like 12 points, and it is grouped together, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to double check. Nope, it is grouped. And we're going to use the same pattern, but we're going to go Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 45 degrees. And I couldn't believe how good it looked just with an outline. That's kind of shows it off, and you don't have to, and really and truly, instead of changing colors, you could, change the colors. You could smart fill this with different colors instead of rotating them around. But I think now I kind of like the outline equally as well, if not better. It looks like you could see the interlocking chain of events here with the squares. Anyway, I promise this will be the last one on this one. Thank you for watching.